Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple space rocket out of twisting balloons. Let's get started. Inflate a 260 balloon. The color of this balloon will be the main color of your rocket. Leave a little uninflated space at the end. After tying the knot, squeeze the balloon so that the air spreads evenly inside. Measure the first section from the knot side. It should be a little over 20 centimeters. For me, that's about the length of 2 of my hands. Make the first twist. Now measure the second section of the same length. After twisting, connect both sections using the balloon's end left from the knot. Make the next section, also the same length, twist it, and push it between the previous two. Then measure the fourth section of the same length, which after twisting is best placed the way I'm showing now. Cut off the excess balloon, wrap the remaining end a few times and leave it. We'll need it in a moment. Now let's make the front of the rocket. I'll use a black 160 balloon, but a 260 or any other color will also work. Inflate the balloon halfway. From the knot side, twist 4 small sections, just like in the video. It's important to keep them small so the whole piece stays symmetrical. Once the 4 sections are ready, twist the balloon again a few centimeters away from them. Cut off the remaining part of the balloon, tie it close to the last twist, and remove the rest. Attach this part to the first section of the rocket using the end we left earlier. The last part of our rocket will be made with a 260 balloon in a fiery color. I'll use yellow. Inflate the balloon almost to the end and tie it. Now make 4 parts, each consisting of 1 longer and 1 shorter section. These will form the bottom of our rocket, imitating flames coming out of the engines. Once the parts are ready, attach them by pushing them between the existing sections of the rocket. Now all that's left is to draw the rocket's details. A window. and a name suitable for this type of vehicle. If you like, you can also add a jet propulsion system to our rocket. Just use an inflated twisting balloon, although the flight path might be a bit unpredictable. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new free lessons on balloon decorations and balloon figures. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment and give a thumbs up. It really motivates me.